Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to play Tales of Angels game. Finally, Tales of Angels just launched its beta game, so only the whitelisted player can play this game. So in this video, I will show you how you can buy character and how you can play the game in order to earn $100 per day. If you play more game, so you can earn more reward. So step by step, I will show you inside this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about cryptocurrency, crypto mining, gaming token, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Don't forget to like our video, because if you like this video, YouTube will share this video with all users. Like this, I can grow my YouTube channel. I will be motivated and daily you will receive a useful video. 9 days before, I just uploaded video Tales of Angels NFT play to earn token review. If you don't know about Tales of Angels token, so make sure watch this video, because inside this video completely I just talk about this token, about the white paper, technomics, roadmap. So I recommend you to check this video and then you can check the today's video. So in this video, I will show you how you can play this game. Finally, Tales of Angels just launched its beta game. Only the whitelisted users can play this game. If you are not whitelisted users, then you cannot play this game. You need to wait till the final launch of their gaming. So if you are a whitelisted user, I will show you how you can buy character and how you can play the game. So this is the official website of Tales of Angels. Let me tell you, the token is not launched yet. On 18 April, finally the token will be launched in market. The launching price will be 15 cents. So here you can see, this is the Tales of Angels, and here you can check the whole detail about their official website, their NFTs, their features, gaming features, each and everything you can find inside this. But let me show you this one, beta.talesofangels.io. This is the beta game version. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. Make sure to have your Metamask wallet, and inside your Metamask wallet you should have your BNB and you should have ANGT token. ANGT token is the token of Tales of Angels. So if you have the token of this project, on that time you can buy their character. So first of all, let's connect our Metamask wallet. Simply click on connect button. Now you need to connect your Metamask wallet. Okay, finally I just connected my Metamask wallet. In here you can check, this is the gaming section where you can play the game. In here you can check, this is the mystery boxes from where you can find NFT, from where you can buy NFT. You can check the price of this NFT, the price of this mystery boxes. This one, common 500 ANGT, 1000, 1667 and 3000. It depends on you, how much token you have. If you have 5000, 10,000 token, so you can buy this 4 mystery boxes. If you have only 1000 token, so simply buy this one, or you can buy this 500 price of this mystery boxes. The more token you have, the more NFT you can buy, and the more NFT you have, the more reward you will earn while playing the game. So how you can buy this NFT, or how you can buy this mystery boxes? Simply click on buy button. Simply click on buy button and then please wait while we confirm your transaction. In right side you can see the Metamask notification. So simply complete the Metamask notification, and then after that you can buy successfully this NFT. And I will show you. You can check, this is the Metamask notification. Simply click on confirm and then buy this NFT, and then I will show you from where you can find your NFT. The same thing, if you want to buy more NFT, the same process you can apply. Simply click on buy button, complete the Metamask transaction, and then come back. So how you can find your NFT? Simply go to inventory, this one, this is your wallet, this is your inventory. Simply click on inventory. So you can find all your NFT inside inventory and inside goals. In here, gods are your NFT, the character that are fighting with, we can say, with enemies. So you can find all your NFT below this god section. Okay, now let's how you can play the game. Simply click in here, play button, go to there. In here you will find 4 options: in adventure, dungeons, crafting, battle log. In battle log you can find all your NFTs category, like your NFT power, NFT category. So everything you can find inside battle log. And then if you go to dungeons, so in here you can check. So select any of this, as we have Golgona, Leviathan, Headaches. So you can select from here. And then if you go back, let's check crafting. So inside crafting also you can find mystical items. This is the 4 items. If you, one by one you can check it. And here you can see you will pay 300 ANGT as fee. If you want to get this one, so you need to pay 300 ANGT as a fee. On that time you can get this item. And then if you check the next one, so for this also you need to pay 300. So like this you can buy any of these items, so it will help you while playing the game. So let's go back. Now let's check adventure. In adventure you can find your NFT. Even you need to select your NFT in order to start playing the game. So simply click on adventure. Okay, now in here, in below you can find your NFT. This is your NFT. Simply you need to select your NFT. Select the NFT and then you just start playing the game. So you can check the video. You can check in here how you can play the game. Very easy. Playing this game is very easy. Everyone can play this game. Simply you can check, only start the game. So your NFT with the enemies start fighting. So if you win the game, you will earn ANGT token. So ANGT token, the launching price is 15 cents. If you earn 20, for example 20 token, so 20 multiply with 0.15 cent, it means on one game you will earn $3. So the more game you play, the more reward you can earn. So like this you can play this game. Select your NFT and then select your map. After that you can play the game. If you win the game, so you can earn free token. If you lose the game, so you will not earn any token. So the same thing, the same process you can apply with your each NFT. Select your NFT, start playing the game and just earn reward. So I hope you understand this video. This is all about how you can play Tales of Angels, the beta game version. If you are a whitelisted, only you can play the game. If you are not whitelisted, wait for a few days. So after a few days, what I think on 15th April, the official game will be launched in this market. So on that time you can play the game. On that time you can buy this token, you can buy their NFT and you can start playing the game in order to earn $100 per day. So I hope you understand this video. If you have any problem or question, ask me below in the comment section. Smash the like button to a new all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this video just end up here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.